To see the people squished into a tight space at Rosner's grocery on 14th Avenue, you'd never know there was an urgent call for social distancing. Moishe Rosner is the owner. You're wearing a mask, but a lot of the people here are not.
What you can do? I wish them to wear a mask. I wish. Just they're not educated enough.
The only people trying for an ounce of prevention, it seemed, were Rosner's non-Orthodox employees and the mailman going about his business.
I don't touch anybody. I was at a wedding yesterday. I went in and out. I didn't touch anybody, and I didn't even.
How many people were at the wedding?
It was a small wedding, like 40 people at the wedding.
This wedding in Williamsburg was much larger, and there was a report that at least one other wedding was broken up by the fire department. In Albany, the governor and state health commissioner were asked about a spike in COVID-19 cases in Borough Park and Williamsburg, reportedly 100 diagnoses since Friday.
We've heard about that and we're looking into that. There's two possibilities: a lot of testing that's going on, or potentially one or multiple individuals that have been infected.
No, I didn't get a test. Thank God I don't have any symptoms, and I wasn't exposed to anyone that's positive for the corona.
High Urgent Care here on 14th Avenue in Borough Park has set up a tent on the sidewalk, and it tells people who may have coronavirus symptoms to stop, remain in the tent until someone comes out to check them. One Borough Park woman was not welcoming the attention, yelling from behind a window.
Borough Park is fine, you can go to Ben's in it.
But Hatzalah, the ambulance corps that services the community, says Borough Park is not fine, putting out an emergency warning Wednesday afternoon, according to the Yeshiva World. Quote, "The coronavirus is actively spreading in our community. There are a significant number of people affected, with many on ventilators in the ICUs and critically ill. Hatzalah is on the front lines and seeing this firsthand." Moishe Rosner told us he knows too.
We know this. And I'm very angry why they don't close down the city.
What do you want the city?
To be shut off.
Hatzalah emphasized to the Orthodox Jewish community there should be no large gatherings, even of families. It also warned against play dates and group babysitting.